to my channel for today's video. Eto guys, magluluto na ako ng para sa aming breakfast for today. Okay guys, keep on watching. Guys, nagsasaing na rin ako. Yan. Yan, in-ini na siya. Tapos guys, ito ang ating breakfast for today. Yan, corn beef na may itlog. Yan, i-scramble lang natin yan. Yan, mainit na yung ating oil, kaya let's start. Yan ang ating breakfast for today. Tortang itlog na may corn beef. Yan guys, ito yung pangalawang aking kinafry. Yan. Sarap nito guys. Tapos may fried rice. Wow, yummy. Ito na guys, ang finished product ng ating tortang itlog with corned beef. Ready to serve na para sa aming breakfast for today. Wow, yummy. Yan guys, nakatapos na naman ako ng panibagong video. Kaya kung bago lang kayo dito sa channel ko, please like, share, and subscribe na rin. And pakiclick nyo lang yung notification bell para palagi kayong updated sa mga video ko pang gagawin. Bye! Keep safe everyone!